Hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Let's talk about Thursday's snow chances. And I begin on my website in the Columbia River Gorge page where temperatures are cold. We're in the 30s here in the valley, but this is coming up. What time is it? Coming up on 2 o'clock in the afternoon on this Wednesday. Cascade Locks 26, Hood River 27, the Dalles 25. We've had winds gusting up to about 35 miles per hour at Crown Point. We've got east winds in Troutdale gusting up to about 20 miles per hour. And by the way, a reminder, you can come down to this map, and if you click on those sites, that will give you hourly reports, including the wind. So that's great information. And if you're wondering, why do we care about that? Because if we don't lose the east wind tomorrow, or if you live in a spot where you don't lose the east wind tomorrow, the cold continues and the snow continues to fall. So basically, tonight's forecast and tomorrow's forecast are really going to hinge on a couple of things. Number one, east winds in the gorge. Number two, how cold do we get tonight before clouds come back in? Most of us are finally starting to clear out on this afternoon hours. If we stay fairly clear through midnight, temperatures could drop all the way down to 20 in some spots. That's going to prolong how long it takes us to warm up tomorrow, meaning it would prolong the snow. If we cloud up before midnight, which we may, clouds coming in from our north, that would help keep the temperatures not quite as cold, and then it would shorten the window of when we get snow tomorrow. So basically, I'm going 24 tonight in Portland, 35 in the afternoon. And if you look at tonight, mostly clear through midnight, maybe not, becoming cloudy, we're in the 20s. Thursday, developing snow before sunrise, possible accumulations up to 3 inches during the morning hours. This is kind of what we've been seeing, 1 inch, 2, 3, kind of depending on where you are. East winds expected to eventually kick to the southwest in most areas. That will allow warming temperatures and a transition into rain in some areas. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I really feel like tomorrow is going to very possibly end up being what I call a checkerboard look in the afternoon. So everybody wakes up, we get some snow, probably at least 1 inch. Maybe we get more like 2, 3 in the morning hours. South winds start coming up the heart of the Willamette Valley. Salem warms, transitions into rain. Parts of Portland do the same, but maybe the east winds keep blowing out of the gorge. That means Troutdale, Gresham, maybe near downtown Portland, maybe parts of Clark County stay cold, and we have snow falling much of the day, and now there's that much better chance to accumulate 3 inches. It's a very tough call. The east winds aren't terribly strong. I mentioned even out at Crown Point, the winds have only been gusting about 30, 35. So that may not be dominant. And then the south winds could just win the day everywhere tomorrow, and we would all transition and warm up into rain. It's still possible, whatever happens tomorrow, that we have moisture left over Thursday overnight and the temperatures drop just enough. Even if you had rain during the day, now you got icing roads Thursday night, dangerous to be out. And you have a switch back to some light snow falling before all that completely ends going into Friday morning. So, and then I think we're done. And I think then we're done with everything, by the way. Friday looks dry. Saturday looks dry. Saturday hitting 40 degrees. It looks like we could be dry early Sunday morning, and then rain develops during the day with temps above freezing. We warm up to 43. We see steady temps Sunday night into Monday. We have more rain, 42, 43 degrees. Again, we're totally done with it. So tomorrow's snow that may or may not transition all areas to rain. Cold pockets may continue, which is the crux of what I'm talking about. Tomorrow will be the last hurrah of all this, the last chance for snow, if you will. Okay, that's it. Don't forget, you can obviously get my 7-day. You can check out the, while I have you, on these pretty days, it's really kind of fun to check out my live camera network. I'm really proud of it. Look how pretty Cathedral Ridge is. Look at the sun over Tillamookett from Gerhardt by the Seas Resort. Had a horse-drawn sleigh at Sun River a little bit ago, and look how pretty. This is always one of the best cameras. I love this camera. Mount Hood, Oregon Resort at 1,500 feet in Walters. Look at all the snow they have. Okay, get up. Check to see what the temperature is doing. Go to my website, the Gorge page. See what those east winds are doing. And I'll update tomorrow as well. I'll talk to you soon.